If you've muted someone on X, also known as Twitter, and now you want to unmute them, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, log into your X account and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you into your account settings, where you can manage your preferences, privacy options, and content controls. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the controls related to interactions, visibility, and account restrictions. On the Privacy and Safety page, find and click Mute and Block. This section contains all the users and keywords you've muted or blocked. Now click Muted Accounts. You'll see a list of every account you've muted. Find the account you want to restore, then click the unmute icon next to that account. As soon as you do that, the account will be unmuted and their posts may start appearing in your feed again. And that's it. You've now unmuted an account on X or Twitter. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide.